Today in the grain markets, soybeans are still rising. Export sales hit that USDA forecast, fulfilling their original number. Funds do remain long those soybeans, and so they're kind of fulfilling what the strength behind it. $9 seems to be the technical number the market is shooting for, and it becomes closer and closer as we go forward. Now, during the talks in Hawaii with China, they did say that there's going to be something positive coming out. We still haven't seen any real action, but there is hopes that they're going to come in and start to buy some of our grain. That's going to be very positive, certainly for soybeans, and I think that's given some underlying support to those markets. Corn was also a little bit higher today, but the futures are staying inside that latest channel. It did reverse the early losses, and the weather is hot and possibly dry going forward. So all those things could be having an effect on corn. Now, while short term it looks like the market's relatively strong, we are inside a channel. It just kind of moved up to the 335 mark, but we're going to need a little bit more momentum building, but we have to see we're going to have to get a little bit more support to get this market moving. Of course, 350 would be ideally the next target, but it's a little bit away yet. Now, wheat was mixed today as well. That new low extended that 476 number with some of that harvest pressure. One thing to note is that June 4th was just a few weeks ago, and that was the high at 529. So that's a 53-cent drop in the market. So who says that the grain market doesn't have volatility? That's a pretty big move, and even though today the futures rebounded off its low, that's a little bit positive just for the short term. We're going to look for trader commitments, and of course weather is going to be the big issue. With wheat, there is big global supplies out there, and we're going to need some weighing in on other headlines and other news that might be helping these markets as we move through into the summer, because summer is going to be starting this weekend.